keeping your home safe and beautiful means protecting your investment from water damage. That's where interior drains come in. So what is an interior drain? It's essentially a slotted pipe surrounded by gravel and buried underground or beneath the perimeter of your basement floor. As water enters the gravel, it flows down into the gutter and is carried away to a sump pump. From there, the sump pump pushes the water away from your home and bam, no more water in your basement. This is especially important because excess moisture in the soil around your home can put a lot of pressure on the walls, causing cracks, leaks, and even basement flooding. Nobody wants to deal with that mess. Interior drains are installed beneath the basement floor. First, a trench is dug around the perimeter of the interior concrete slab. It's then lined with gravel and the slotted drainage system is placed inside. Finally, the trench is covered with more gravel and a concrete slab is replaced. Oh, and by the way, even a little bit of water in your basement is a warning sign. Don't wait for a small problem to become a big, expensive headache. Trust me, getting it done right the first time is worth it. Protect your home and your peace of mind with a state-of-the-art drainage system from Groundworks.